It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tatong and tuloy yung ating breakfast serya dito sa Simpol. And today, gagawin natin yung ating paboritong daing na bangus.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
This recipe is part of our Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Marami naman tayong nabibili na pre-marinated na daing na bangus. Ang problema ko lang doon is that lalo na pag medyo matagal yung stock niya, is that medyo nagiging dry na yung laman ng fish at saka hindi na siya ganun kasarap. Ako, I like to marinate my fish before frying. So kahit one day ahead, tamang-tama lang yung marination niya. Hindi siya over-marinated. Kasi the more you soak the fish in the suka, naluluto na siya. So hindi mo pa niluluto, wala na. Overcooked na siya sa suka. Kaya what we do is, we make our own marinade, which is so simple. So ito, meron akong fish, 2 pirasong bangus, which is around 500 grams each. So kalahating kilo yung isa. And hahatiin ko lang siya kasi medyo malaki yung ating bangus. So you can buy 3 pieces to 1 kilo. Ito siya, 2 pieces to 1 kilo. And hahatiin ko lang siya. I will just remove the tails kasi hindi naman natin kailangan yung tails. Remove the tails. Yan. We will discard that. And hatiin natin yung ating bangus. No? I will just half it. Yan. Or you can cut it into 4 pieces. No? So, depending on the size of your bangus, you can just cut it to serving pieces. Ito siya. I-divide natin into 4 para 1 piece each or 2 pieces each, no? And it's easier to handle when frying kasi it's already cut into manageable sizes. Kasi pag buong isda, ang hirap pang prito, di ba? So, I just put it into my container to marinate. If you go to your market, ipa-debone mo lang siya. Filet na debone, boneless. Dagdag bayad, siguro mga 10 pesos. And what will we do? We will just marinate this. So simple. This is one of the most simplest marinades that you can do. We start off with 1/2 cup of dato puti vinegar. Di mo na kailangan ng pre-marinated kasi sobrang simple lang talaga nito. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix natin. 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of black pepper. And bawang as much as you want. Ako, I just like it crushed kasi pag masyadong maliit yung pagka-mince mo ng garlic, when you fry, may small pieces of garlic. Pag nasusunog siya, ayaw ko nung nakikita na may sunog na part, then yung iba hindi sunog, no? What we do, we just pour that into our bangus. No? So, ito siya. It will stay good for 1 day. Leave it in the chiller 1 day to cook the fish. Kaya ang nangyayari dyan, it becomes drier and drier and drier. Kaya sometimes, kung makain ka, lalo pag maliliit yung bangus mo, then it's over-marinated. Lasang papel na siya. Yung texture niya parang papel, parang karton na yung kinakain mo. So very easily, yan, just soak it. Alam na natin na properly flavored, evenly flavored to kasi we already dissolved the salt in the marinade. In the meantime, while that's sitting around, I will heat up my oil. Ito, kahit 30 minutes sa marinade, pwede na siya. Yan. Heat up my oil. So, gagawa ko ng very quick side dish, ensaladang itlog na maalat, no? And I will just combine everything, my onions, and my tomatoes. And I will just season and dress very lightly. Suka, 1 tablespoon of dato puti suka, and 1 tablespoon of dato puti patis. Yan. Para maging malasa yung ating buong ensalada. Mix that. And of course, I have my itlog na pula. I will just dice it a little bit, no? Straight on the eggshell. Masarap dito yung salted egg na naglalangis. Pero yung naglalangis na salted egg, those are the medyo mature na, no? Kaya nagre-render na yung fat niya. Here it is. Yan. And we're ready to fry. And fry. Are you ready? Careful. Palayo sa'yo. Because it's wet, tatalsik talaga siya, kaya ingat lang tayo ng konti. Obviously, you will love this. Yan. Yan. Fry hanggang maging tostado siya. And I'm just going to flip the bangus over. Yan, beautiful. And look at that. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Yung garlic natin is not minced para walang bits and pieces ng sunog-sunog na nakikita nating dumidikit sa ating bangus. And our bangus is done. Ang sekreto talaga nitong masarap na daing na bangus ay you do it yourself. Kasi kahit ano pa yung gawin mo, as long as hindi mo alam kailan pa siya na-marinate, hindi mo masiguro yung lasa at quality niya. No? You don't just taste the marinade, but you also taste the fish. Ito, ating bangus, very nice, very crisp, but inside, juicy pa rin siya. And of course, ang ating ensalada on the side. Yan. And here it is, our simple version of daing na bangus. Kaya, tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!